So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your videos in Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. So first of all, in the top left corner, you can see a file option. Click on that file option, and here in the bottom you can see export. Click on that option and click on media. You can also export video by clicking on Ctrl plus M in your keyboard. And here you can see export settings windows has been popped up. Here you can change its output name and its location, and you can also change its bitrate and other settings too. And here you can see the video timeline too. You can have an overview, and after everything is done, click on export and your exporting will be started. So that's how you can export video in Premiere Pro. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.